Good morning, students. Standard 9 Mathematics. Keep your notebook and pen ready to take notes. Chapter 8 Statistics. In the last session, we had learnt about mean. Mean is the average of a set of data. To calculate the mean, find the sum of the data and then divide by the number of data. In this session, we are going to learn about median. The definition of median is the middle value in the list of numbers. To find the median, we arrange the observations in ascending order. If there is odd number of observation, the median is the middle value. If the observations are in even numbers, the median is the average of two middle values. Median is used when the data is more scattered. Median of ungrouped data. Thus, in an ungrouped frequency distribution, if the n values are arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude, the median is the middle value of n is odd. When n is even, the median is the mean of the two middle values. That is, the average of two middle values is called a median when n is even. Also, in this session, we are going to learn about mode. Most repeated value in a set of data is said as mode. There may two or more than two modes in a data. Now, let us learn some exercise problems. Exercise 8.2, first sum. Find the median of the given values. The data is 47, 53, 62, 71, 83, 21, 43, 47 and 41. We have to find the median of these data. Solution. To find the median of these data, we should write the given data in ascending order. What does mean by ascending order? It means we have to write the numbers from smaller number to greater number. So, which is a smaller number in this data? Which is a smaller number? The smaller number is 21. First, we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So, the ascending order is, which is a smaller number in this data? 21 is the smaller number. And then the next smaller number is 41, and the next smaller number is 43 and 47, 47, 53, 62, 71 and 83. This is the ascending order of the given data. Now we have to find the median. Median means the middle value. Median means the middle value of the data. So here, how many datas are given? Here, the datas, 9 datas are given. Small n is equal to number of observations. So, here n is equal to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, the total number of observations is equal to 9. Isn't it? So, 9 is the odd number. So, here the number of observation n is odd number. 9 is the odd number. So, the formula to find the median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th value. This is the formula for to find the median when the number of observations is odd. So the formula is n plus 1 by 2th value. When the given observations is an odd number, here the number of observations is 9. That given data, the number of given data are 9. So it is an odd number. So formula for to find the median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th value. This is the formula for to find the median when the number of observations is odd. So here n, the value of n is 9. So 9 plus 1 divided by 2th value. That means 9 plus 1 is how much? 10. 10 by 2th value. So 10 by 2 is 5, fifth value. 10 by 2 is 5, fifth value. Which is your fifth value? Fifth value is, what is your fifth value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your fifth value is 47. So 47 is the median of this sum. Here the fifth value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth value of your given data. Therefore, the median fifth value is equal to 47. Therefore, median is equal to 47. Median is equal to 47. This is the answer for the first sum. Exercise 8.2, second sum. Find the median of the given data. The given data are 36, 44, 86, 31, 37, 44, 86, 35, 60 and 51. We have to find the median of the given data. So, we should first, what we have to do? We should arrange the numbers in ascending order, isn't it? Let us arrange the values in ascending order. Arrange the values in ascending order. Arrange the values in ascending order. So we will get, now I have written the numbers in ascending order. The smaller value, the first smaller value is 31, and then 35, 36, 37, 44, 44, 51, 60, 86 and 86. Now we have to find the number of observations. That means how many data are given here. So the number of data are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here the number of observation n is equal to 10. Here n is, the number 10 is even number, isn't it? The number 10 is even number. If it is odd number, then the median formula is n plus 1 by 2th value. But here n is the even number, isn't it? So we have to write the formula for to find the median. So median is equal to, when n is even, then the median is equal to n by 2th value plus n plus 1 by 2th value divided by 2. This is the formula for to find the median when n is even. Okay, here n, the value of n is 10. The number of observation given is 10. So n by 2th value means you have to write 10 by 2th value. 10 by 2th value plus n plus 1 by 2th value means you have to write 10 plus 1 by 2th value, isn't it? Now divided by, whole thing divided by what we have in the formula, 2. Write 2 in the denominator. Now 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. 10 by 2 is 5. Fifth value. And then plus 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 by 2. So the formula for to find the median when n is even is median is equal to n by tooth value plus n by 2 plus 1th value divided by whole thing divided by 2. This is the formula for to find the median when n is even. So here n means the number of observations. So the number of observation is 10. N is equal to 10 here. So 10 we will write 10 divided by tooth value plus 10 by 2 plus 1th value divided by 2. Because the value of n is 10 here, so we have substituted 10 for n. Now 10 by tooth value, 10 by 2 is 5. 5th value plus 10 by 2 is what again? 5. 5 plus 1th value divided by 2. 5. 10 by 2 is 5. Here plus 1 we have. So 5 plus 1th value divided by 2. Here 5th value plus 5 plus 1 is 6th value. Again 5 plus 1 is again 6th value divided by 2. Here your 5th value. What is your 5th value in the given observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your 5th value and this is your 6th value, isn't it? So we have to add these two numbers and divided by 2. 5th value is 44 plus 6th value. 6th value is again 44 divided by 2. So 44 plus 44 is what? 88 divided by 2. When we divide 88 by 2, we will get 44 again. So therefore median is equal to 44. This is the answer for the second sum. Exercise 8.2, third sum. The median of observation 11, 12, 44, 18, x plus 2, x plus 4, 30, 32, 35, 41 arranged in ascending order is 24. Find the value of x. Here the value of the median is given. The median is 24. Here the median is given and already the data are arranged in ascending order. They are given, the numbers are arranged in ascending order already. So we don't need to write the numbers in ascending order again. Solution. Here in this problem we have to find the value of x, isn't it? We have to find this value x. So solution, given median is equal to, they are given median is equal to what? 24. Median is equal to 24. The given data are, what are the given data? Already arranged in ascending order. So 11, 12, 14, 18, x plus 2, x plus 4, 30, 32, 35, 41. These are the given data in ascending order. Here n is equal to, small n is equal to the number of observations or number of data or number of values. So how many data are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 10 data are given. So the value of n is even number. 10 is even number. You know the formula for to find the median when n is even. So what is the formula? Median is equal to, what is the formula? Median is equal to n divided by tooth value plus n by 2 plus 1th value divided by 2. This is the formula for to find the median when n is even. So n by tooth value, n is even 10. So 10 divided by tooth value plus 10 by 2 plus 1th value divided by whole thing divided by 2. So 10 by 2th value is what? Again 5th value plus 10 by 2 is 5 plus 1th value divided by 2. But here the median value is given. Median is 24. Write 24 in the left hand side. Median is given already. So 24 is equal to 5th values. Which is your 5th value? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your 5th value and this is your 6th value, isn't it? So you have to write 5th value is x plus 2. In the place of 5th value, you have to write x plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 is what? 6th value. 6th value. In the place of 6th value, you have x plus 4. Whole thing divided by 2. So 24 is equal to, adding the like terms, x and x are like terms. These two are constant terms. So adding the like terms, we will get x plus x is 2x plus 2 plus 4 is 6 divided by 2. So when you take this 2 to the left hand side, it will become multiplication. So 24 into 2 is equal to 2x plus 6. 24 into 2 is what? 48 is equal to 2x plus 6, which implies 2x is equal to 48 minus 6. When plus 6 goes to the left hand side, it will other side. When plus 6 goes to the other side, it will become minus 6. So 2x is equal to 48 minus 6 is what? 42, which implies x is equal to 42 divided by 2. Cancelling these two, you will get 21. Therefore, the value of x is 21. The value of x is 21. This is the answer for the third sum. This is the answer for the third sum. The value of x is 21. Exercise 8.3, first sum. The monthly salary of 10 employees in a factory are given below. The given data are rupees 5,000, rupees 7,000, rupees 5,000, rupees 7,000, rupees 8,000, rupees 7,000, rupees 7,000, rupees 8,000, rupees 7,000 and rupees 5,000. Find the mean, median and mode. So here in this problem, we have to identify mean, median and mode. So you know how to identify the mean. So what is the formula for to find the mean in this problem? So you know the formula already. Mean is equal to summation x divided by n. Summation x divided by n. This is the formula for to identify the mean. So mean is equal to summation x means you have to add up all these data, all these given data. So what are the data given in the problem? 5,000 plus 7,000 plus 5,000 plus 7,000 plus 8,000 plus 7,000 plus again 7,000 plus 8,000 plus 7,000 plus 5,000. So summation x means you have to add up all the given data. Whole thing divided by n. Small n means the number of observations in the given data. So how many data are given in this problem? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here the small n, the value of the small n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. Now we have to add up all these values and divided by 10. So by adding all these values, you will get 66,000. 66,000 divided by 10. So cancelling 1 0 in the numerator and 1 0 in the denominator, you will get 6600 divided by 1, which will become 6600. So mean is equal to 6600. Now we identified the value of mean. Next we have to find the value of the median, isn't it? So next we have to identify the value of the median. So you know how to identify the median, isn't it? What we have to do first? First we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Let us arrange the numbers in ascending order. First we have to arrange the given numbers in given data in ascending order. So now I have arranged the numbers in ascending order, that is 5000, 5000, 5000, 7000, 7000, 7000, 7000, 7000, 8000 and 8000. So now we have arranged the numbers in ascending order. Next what we have to do? We have to find the n value. N value means the number of datas. The number of datas here is 10. So n is equal to 10. This is the even number. So we have to write the formula for to find the median. So median is equal to, what is the formula? N by 2th value plus n by 2 plus 1th value by 2. Here the value of n is 10. So directly I have written 10 by 2th value plus 10 by 2 plus 1th value divided by 2, isn't it? So 10 by 2th value means 5th value plus 10 by 2 plus 1 is 6th value, whole thing divided by 2. Now you know the 5th values is, what is your 5th value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your 5th value and this is your 6th value, isn't it? So your 5th value is 7000 plus again your 6th value is 7000 again divided by 2. 7000 plus 7000 is 14,000 divided by 2. Cancelling these two, you will get the median value is 14,000. Median is equal to 7,000. So we found the mean as 7,000. Median is also 7,000. Next we have to identify the mode, isn't it? Next we have to identify the value of mode. Now mode is equal to, the mode is the number that occurs most frequently in the data. That means you look to watch the one with maximum views. For an individual data, mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently. So in this given data, you have to find which number or which value is occurs most frequently. So the number 5000, the value 5000 occurs 3 times. The number 5000 appears 3 times and the number 7000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 7000 appears 5 times and the number 8000 appears 2 times. So which number appears maximum of times? Which number is repeated in maximum of times? 7000. So mode is equal to 7000. Mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently. So here the number 7000 is occurs most frequently. So 7000 in this data, 7000 occurs how many times? 5 times. 7000 occurs 5 times. Therefore, mode is equal to 7000. Therefore, mode is equal to 7000. This is the answer for the first sum. So, mean is equal to 6600, median is equal to 7000 and mode is equal to 7000. Exercise 8.3, third sum. For the data 11, 15, 17, x plus 1, 19, x minus 2, 3, if the mean is 14, find the value of x, also find the mode of the data. Now we have to find the value of x first and then we have to find the mode of the given data. Solution. The given data is, what is the given data? 11, 15, 17, x plus 1, 19, x minus 2, 3. This is the given data and given mean is equal to 14. Given mean is equal to 14. You know the number of observations small n is equal to how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So small n is equal to 7. You know the formula to find the mean. So mean formula is equal to summation x divided by n. This is the formula for to find the mean. So in the problem they have given the value for mean is 14. So 14 is equal to summation x, means you have to add up all these values in the given data. So the values are 11 plus 15 plus 17 plus x plus 1 plus 19 plus x minus 2 plus 3. Whole thing divided by small n. So here small n is 7. Now take this 7 to the left hand side, it will become multiplication. 14 into 7 is equal to, you have to add the like terms. So x plus x is 2x. X plus x is 2x. When adding the other given constants, 11 plus 15 plus 17 plus 1 plus 19 and then plus 3. So you have to add all these numbers. So when adding all these datas, you will get 66. Adding all these values, you will get 66 and 1 minus 2 you have, write that minus 2 as it is. 14 into 7. 14 into 7 is 14 sevens are 98, which is equal to 2x plus 66 minus 2 is 64. Isn't it? So 2x plus 64 is equal to 98. 2x is equal to 98. Plus 64 will become minus 64 when it comes to the right hand side. So 2x is equal to 98 minus 64 is 34. So which implies x is equal to 34 by 2. So we will get x is equal to 17. So the value of x is 17. Next, we have to identify the mode of the data. So, first you have to write the datas once again. Here, the given datas are, given data is equal to, the values are 11, 15, 17 and x plus 1. So, here the value of x is 17. So, 17 plus 1 is 18 and then the next value is 19 and then we have x minus 2. So x is 17. 17 minus 2 is what? 15. Write that 17 minus 2 comma 3. So the given data are 11, 15, 17, 18, 19, 17 minus 2 is 15, 3. Now you have to identify the mode. So you know mode is nothing but the maximum occurrence value. So which data is occurrence at maximum of times? You have to identify. The number 15 is occurs 2 times. The number 15 occurs 2 times, isn't it? The number 15 occurs 2 times. Therefore, mode is equal to 15. This is the answer for the third sum. So I'll repeat it once again. Here for the data, if the mean is 14, find the value of x. Also find the mode of the data. So the given data, we have written the given data. Given mean is equal to 14. Also in the problem they are given the value of mean is 14. Small n is equal to the number of observations. Here the number of data are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7. Mean is equal to, you know the formula for to find the mean. Mean is equal to summation x by n. But in the problem they are already given mean is 14. So you have to write that 14 here, which is equal to summation x, means you have to add up all these data in the given problem. So add all the values in the given problem divided by n. N is nothing but 7. Now take this 7 to the left hand side, it will become multiplication. So 14 into 7 is equal to, adding the like terms. Here x and x are like terms. So adding x plus x, adding x plus x is 2x. And adding the other constant terms, you will get 66 minus the negative number is 2, minus 2. So 14 sevens are 98 is equal to 2x plus 66 minus 2 is 64. So now you have to write the 2x plus 64 is equal to 98 in this format. From this equation you have to find the value of x. So 2x is equal to 98 plus 64 will become minus 64 when it goes to the right hand side. So 2x is equal to 98 minus 64 is 34, which implies x is equal to 34 by 2, which is 17. So the value of x is 17. Next we have to identify the mode for the given data, but in the problem the data are given with x values. So you have to substitute the x values in the given data. So substituting x values, you will get here 17 plus 1 is 18 and 17 minus 2 is 15. So in the given data, which numbers occurs maximum of times? We have to find the maximum occurrence data. So mode is equal to 15 because 15 occurrence 2 times. 15 occurs 2 times. Therefore mode is equal to 15. Students, these are the practice sums for you. Practice these sums in your notebook and submit it when school reopens. If you have any doubt in this, it will be clarified when school reopens or in the Google Meet class.